So as you can see, this is not my CBR, not a motorcycle. Decided to change things up a little bit. I haven't posted videos for quite a while. Kind of getting out of sport bikes, I think. So I think the channel is going to have a pretty drastic change. But we'll see going forward. I just picked this up today. I've been wanting one of these since last summer. It is a 2018 Can Am Renegade XXC 850. I just picked it up at the dealership this afternoon and brought it home. I just want to do a little walk around for those of you that may not have seen these up close. Maybe you don't have them at your dealership or not, but the XXC comes as an upgraded version of the base Renegade. It has the beadlock wheels, has a Fox podium, fully adjustable shocks. I don't know if you can see the little turn knob up there. You can adjust all kinds of settings on these. It's got a partial skid plate. Let me see if I can get under there, if you can see it. It doesn't run the full length of the four-wheeler. There's still a little bit of area that needs to be covered on it. It's got all kinds of just really nice stuff on it. The hand guards up here, which doesn't come standard on the base model. Probably going to do a lot of riding videos, just some trail riding around here until I get used to it. Maybe I'll do some suspension stuff once I figure out those shocks a little bit more. There's still a lot that I don't know about them. I'm trying to learn, so hopefully I can pass that on as well. This is going to be a really, really fun machine. I can't wait to really get into it more. And once the trails in my state actually open up for riding, there's not a lot I can do. I'm kind of relegated to my yard. You can see the tracks that I dug up today, just messing around with it a little bit for what I could. But once the trails open up, I'll get some actual riding videos on the trails and give you my impressions on this machine and any good points and bad points moving forward. And just in case you're looking at getting one of these yourself, give me an overall view on it. I plan on doing quite a few mods to it. I want to do a different front bumper on it and add some additional skid plates to the bottom and a few other things I'm going to do just to make it a little bit more unique. I never seem to be able to take anything and leave it completely the way it was from the factory. So there'll be some updated videos coming this summer. They may be a little bit slow at first because, like I said, the trails around here are still closed for a while. So it may be another month or so before I can really dig into this and get some more reviews going and get some more information out there for everyone. But I just want to do a quick overview, and for those of you that may have wanted to take a better look at these at a dealership or anything like that, not a bad idea. It's an awesome machine just from the little bit that I know about it, the little bit that I did ride it today, but there'll be a lot more moving forward, so I'll see you guys later.